How to increase your upload speed. Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's guide, we'll be tackling how to speed up the slow internet speeds and discuss how you can improve your upload and download performance with some easy adjustments. So this process is simple and effective, and by the end of the video you should notice an improvement in your internet speed. So let's get started. Before we jump into the fixes, it's important to know that your internet speed is primarily controlled by your ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. If you want a significant boost, your best option is to upgrade your internet plan with your provider. However, Windows has some built-in settings that might slowing your connection. By tweaking them, you can optimize your network performance and potentially gain better speed. So let's get through some key adjustments you can make. So the first option, you can check and manage data usage. So you're going to click on the start menu and then you're going to type in data usage. And this is the data usage overview, so you can simply click on it. And after that, you're going to select the data usage option. And over here, you're going to click over here, and after that, if you see apps using too much data in the background, you can consider uninstalling them or disabling their internet access to free up bandwidth for more important tasks. And some apps automatically check for updates or run background processes, consuming internet resources without you even realizing it. The next option is disabling metered connection. So you can click on start menu again and you can just type in metered connections. Now over here you can simply click on Wi-Fi settings, and over here you can allow downloaded maps. So over here at the left side, you're going to click here and type in downloaded maps. And now here is the downloaded maps. So you can simply turn it off, or you can also delete the offline maps in order to get rid of it. Here you'll be able to see an option that says metered connection, so you can simply toggle it off. Now you can return to main settings page, and here you can search for network and internet. So just type in network and internet. So there's network and internet, and here is the Wi-Fi settings, and you can simply click on it. And once you do so, you can click properties under your active internet. So you can just simply click on it, and once you do so, you'll be able to see all of the properties and scroll down till you find the metered connection again, and you can toggle it off over here if you have that enabled. So Windows limits internet usage when a metered connection is enabled, which can slow down downloads and browsing speeds, and disabling it removes these restrictions. And the other thing that you can do to fix that issue is disabling background applications. So the next thing you can do is click on privacy and security, and search for background apps and disable the background apps from running or using bandwidth and slowing down your internet connection. And by applying these tweaks, you should experience a noticeable improvement in your internet speeds. So you can check and remove unnecessary apps using excessive bandwidth, turn off metered connection to improve your speed, and you can also disable background apps to free up network resources. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.